Hello everyone. Today we're exploring the idea of lifelong learning. It's a concept that goes beyond your time here in college and encourages continuous growth, curiosity, and knowledge throughout your life. By the end of this lecture, you should be able to understand the importance of cultivating a habit of lifelong learning. Learn practical strategies to stay curious and continue learning in any environment. See how lifelong learning contributes to both personal and professional development. Lifelong learning isn't just about formal education. It's about staying open to growth and new ideas in all aspects of life. Lifelong learning is the ongoing, voluntary, and self-motivated pursuit of knowledge for personal or professional reasons. It's about maintaining a curious mindset and seeking knowledge in various forms, whether through books, experience, conversation, or self-reflection. In the modern world, things change rapidly. Technology evolves, industries shift, and the skills needed to thrive are constantly being updated. Those who adopt a mindset of lifelong learning are not only better prepared to adapt to these changes, but also more fulfilled as they continue to grow and evolve throughout their lives. Think of lifelong learning like tending to a garden. If you plant seeds and never water them, they won't grow. But if you continuously nourish the plants with water and care, they flourish over time. Learning is the same. If you stop actively seeking knowledge and experience, growth becomes stagnant. But with consistent curiosity and engagement, you will continue to thrive. The moral of this analogy is that growth requires consistent effort. Just as a garden needs attention to bloom, your mind needs regular feeding with new knowledge, challenges, and experiences to continue growing. One of the history's greatest examples of lifelong learning is Leonardo da Vinci. Known for his contributions to art, science, and engineering, Da Vinci never limited himself to one field of study. His relentless curiosity led him to explore everything from anatomy to flight. He studied the human body to improve his art, designed inventions ahead of their time, and asked questions about the natural world that pushed scientific understanding forward. The moral of Da Vinci's story is that curious mind can break barriers and open doors to incredible innovation. This commitment to learning in multiple disciplines allowed him to leave a legacy of knowledge and creativity that continues to inspire people centuries later. Lifelong learners are better equipped to handle change. Whether it's shifting careers, learning new technology, or navigating personal challenges, the ability to continuously learn makes you more adaptable. Learning doesn't just enhance your professional life, it enriches your personal life as well. Picking up a new hobby, understanding different cultures, or diving into a topic of interest can bring a sense of joy and satisfaction. In today's competitive job market, those who continue to learn new skills and stay up to date with industry trends often have the upper hand. Lifelong learning can lead to new career opportunities, promotions, or even the ability to pivot into an entirely new field. Cultivate a mindset of curiosity. Ask questions, seek out new experiences, and challenge yourself to explore subjects outside of your comfort zone. Just like you set goals for academic or career achievements, set personal learning goals. This could be as simple as reading a new book each month, taking an online course, or learning a new skill. After learning something new, take time to reflect on what you have learned. Reflection deepens understanding and helps you retain knowledge, making it easier to apply in the future. Picture lifelong learning as a compass that guides you through life. When you're open to new knowledge, your compass keeps you moving in different directions, helping you navigate through challenges and seize new opportunities. Without learning, you remain stagnant, unsure of where to go or how to grow. The moral here is that lifelong learning keeps you on a path of discovery. It doesn't lead to a single destination, but opens up multiple routes for exploration, ensuring you continue moving forward, no matter where life takes you. Now, here is an assignment for you. This week, identify an area of personal interest or a skill you've been waiting to develop but haven't yet pursued. Write a short plan on how you will start learning more about it, whether through reading, online resources, or practical experience. Reflect on how this aligns with your personal goals for lifelong learning. In conclusion, cultivating lifelong learning is about maintaining an open, curious mindset and continuously seeking new knowledge and experience, whether in your professional life or personal interests. The journey of learning never ends. And that's what makes it exciting. By embracing lifelong learning, you stay adaptable, fulfilled, and ready to take on whatever life throws your way. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep growing.